2 emails. Both say your bank account is locked. One is really from your bank. The other is a scam designed to empty it. In the next 6 minutes, you'll be able to tell them apart every single time. This is phishing. Phishing is when a criminal pretends to be someone you trust, like your bank, your boss, or a delivery company, to trick you into giving up a password, a payment detail, or clicking a dangerous link. The word sounds like phishing, and that's exactly the idea. They cast bait, and hope you bite. Why should you care? Because phishing is the #1 way real cyber attacks begin. Security researchers find that the large majority of breaches involve a human being tricked, and email is the favorite weapon. You don't need to be a company to be a target. Anyone with an inbox is on the list. Let's go back to those 2 emails from the start. The real one greets you by name, comes from your bank's own address, and simply tells you to log in through the official app. The fake one says "Dear customer," comes from a lookalike address, and pushes a big red button that says "Verify now or lose access." Same look, completely different intent. By the end of this video, that difference will jump out at you instantly. So how do you catch it? Remember one word: SLAM. Slam. 4 red flags that give almost every phishing email away. Let's take them one at a time. S is for sender. Look at the real email address, not just the display name. A message might say PayPal, but the address behind it reads support@paypal1.com. That's the #1. Standing in for the letter L. Big brands use their own clean domain. A stranger's address hiding behind a famous name is your first warning. L is for links. Before you click anything, hover your mouse over the link and read where it actually goes. Scammers love look-alike web addresses, like paypal.com.secure-login.ru. Here's the trick to read any web address. Find the last word just before the first single slash. That is the true destination. In this one, it's a .ru site, not PayPal at all. Is for attachments. Did you actually expect this file? A surprise invoice, a shipping label, or a resume you never asked for can carry malware that installs the moment you open it. If you weren't expecting it, don't open it. Verify first. M is for message. Phishing runs on pressure. Your account will be closed in 24 hours. Verify now or lose access. Urgent threats and impossible deadlines are designed to make you panic and act before you think. Real organizations give you time. Fear is the fingerprint of a scam. Keep one rule in mind. A legitimate bank, government agency, or company will never ask you to send your password or your full one-time code by email or text. If a message asks for those, it is a scam. Full stop. When something feels off, use 3 steps. Stop. Don't react to the urgency. Check. Verify the sender. Hover the links. And if in doubt, go straight to the official app or website yourself. Never through the email. And report. Forward it to your IT team or report it as phishing. Then delete it. Stop. Check. Report. But what if you already clicked, or typed in your password? Don't panic. Act fast. First, change that password immediately, and change it anywhere else you reused it. Second, turn on 2-factor authentication so a stolen password alone is useless. Third, tell your bank or your IT team right away, and watch your accounts for anything strange. Speed limits the damage. One more thing. Phishing isn't only email. The same trick arrives as text messages, called smishing, phone calls, called vishing, and even fake QR codes. The rules never change. And turn on 2-factor authentication everywhere you can, so that even if a password is stolen, it isn't enough to get in. Quick recap. To spot a phishing message, run the SLAM check. Sender, links, attachments, message. To beat it, follow 3 steps. Stop, check, report. And remember the golden rule. Nobody legitimate will ever ask for your password or your one-time code. That's it. Simple habits. Powerful protection. You now know more than most people about spotting scams. Protecting one inbox is a great start. Defending a whole organization is a career. At Tertiary Courses, our cybersecurity programs take you from aware to certified, and many are skills future claimable. Check the link in the description. If this helped, subscribe for a new tech skill every week. Stay safe out there.